Hi there, check out these cool gadgets and hacks we've got in this short video. This is the package. He's gonna unbox all these products. We've got this cabinet you can use for your clothes, and you can use it for maybe your shoes. We've got this mobile holder you can use while eating or doing something else. Let's see what's in this small box. This is a cleaner you can use for cleaning carpets. We've got this vacuum cleaner. We've got this one you can use for the corners. This is a square mop you can use for the floor. It's really cool. It makes the task easier and fast. This is another electric tool. This is a file you can use for your heels. This is a folding plastic washing machine. You can use it anywhere at home. It's really convenient. You can also dry up your clothes using this small washing machine. We've got this thing where you can store maybe plastic bags. We've got this thing you can use for your glasses. This is a dishwasher. We've got this tool you can use for defrosting meat. We've got this package again. It's really a big one. This is closet you can use for your stuff like your clothes, your bags. We've got this mobile phone holder. We've got this plastic organizer where you can store or put your stuff. This is a cleaner you can use for the floor. This is a vacuum cleaner. We've got this one you can use for cleaning windows and maybe corners. We've got this square mop plug-in you can use for mopping the floor. This is an electric fan you can use for your heels. This is a small folding washing machine. It's really convenient. You can also dry up your clothes using this small machine. We've got this thing you can use for these plastic cups. This is a wallet where you can put your glasses. We've got this rack you can use for the dishes. This is a dishwasher. This is another clip. We'll see the tools we've got in this beautiful apartment. We've got this comfortable chair. This is a dispenser you can use for storing cereals. This is a cooker you can use for maybe that's rice. You can also use it for cooking pasta or noodles. We've got this wooden mobile phone holder. Let's see what's in this bathroom. This is an electric tub you can use for massage for your feet. It's really cool. We've got this rack where you can put your toothbrushes. It's beautiful. We've got this appliance you can use for charging your mobile phone, and you can also use it as a safe for saving money. This is another beautiful apartment. This is an organizer where you can organize your shoes. We've got this pan. It's a frying pan. You can use for cooking omelette. This is a dispenser. You can store cereals. We've got this blender. We've got this appliance you can use for compressing these plastic bags where you can store food. We've got this electric tool you can use for making omelette. This is a brush you can use for pans. We've got this grinder you can use for garlic. It's really cool. We've got this one you can use for mobile phones.